Hi y'all, just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to make a delicious turtle cake in no time in our Pampered Chef deep covered baker. All you do is you mix your cake mix according to the package directions, and you want to use the Devil's Food cake. Scoop it into the deep covered baker. And then we will stir in a half a cup of chocolate chips. Take all for that. And we will dollop in some chocolate fudge frosting. And then we're going to cover it, throw it in the microwave for about 13 minutes. And I will resume this video as soon as it's done.